Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Friday morning, October 11, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. Following a rally to all-time highs, all three major US indexes took a breather. Stocks fell after data showed hotter than expected inflation and a slowdown in the labor market, amplifying the debate on whether the Federal Reserve will opt for a smaller rate cut next month or a pause after a large September reduction. Thursday's consumer price index showed prices rose 2.4% in the 12 months through September, running slightly hotter than expectations for a 2.3% rise. Annual core inflation also marginally overshot forecasts, with prices excluding volatile food and energy up 3.3% versus an estimate of 3.2%. In a separate report released on Thursday, jobless claims also rose to 258,000 for the week ending October 5 versus an estimate of 230,000. While Thursday's economic figures were not perceived by Wall Street as catastrophic, they certainly highlighted the Fed's challenge to bringing down the inflation back to 2%, targeting without cooling the jobs market too much. And that has added to the debate about the Fed's next step. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 57 points or 0.14% to 42,454. The S&P 500 lost 11 points or 0.21% to 5,780, and the Nasdaq Composite lost 9 points or 0.05% to 18,282. Only 3 of the S&P 500's 11 major industry sectors advanced on Thursday, with energy adding 0.8% and outperforming the rest as oil prices rose. With the Middle East conflict and the Hurricane Milton keeping oil traders on edge, energy prices are still in focus. Oil prices rose after 2 days of decline. Brent crude gained 3.7% to top $79 a barrel as traders continue to focus on the recent escalation in the Middle East and potential supply disruptions. Mega caps were mixed, with Nvidia Corporation up and Apple Incorporated down. Tesla edged lower ahead of the launch of the company's fully self-driving vehicle. In individual stocks, Delta Airlines fell 1% after its forecast quarterly revenue fell below expectations in anticipation of slower travel spending. Other airlines also lost ground, with American Airlines ending down 1.4%. Shares of Pfizer fell 2.8% as former executives distanced themselves from activist investor Starboard's campaign against the drug maker. Further, in Thursday's sessions, Treasury yields ticked higher. The benchmark 10-year yield advanced to 4.093% after settling at 4.065% on Wednesday. Chinese stocks rallied, extending a recent volatile stretch. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index gained nearly 3%, and the Shanghai Composite added more than 1%. Spot gold also rose 0.8% to $2,629 an ounce. Investors are also preparing for the third quarter earnings season, with major banks such as JP Morgan and Wells Fargo scheduled to report results on Friday. The third quarter earnings growth rate for the S&P 500 estimated to come in at 5% year on year, according to estimates compiled by LSEG. That's it for today, folks. See you Monday morning. Have a great weekend. In the meantime, let us know in the comment section what are your thoughts for the market. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.